Hello again, live from the Melbourne Town Hall for the Victorian Seniors Festival. The month-long celebration started with hundreds of dancers putting their best foot forward to the tunes of a 12-piece band. The theme of this year's festival is Learn, Love, Live, encouraging our older residents to embrace experiences and have fun as they age. This is one of more than 1,000 events in a packed calendar. Public transport is free over the next week for seniors card holders. Now to the weather, and we have a serious situation in Victoria this week. A low pressure system has us in its sights with the east of the state set for a soak. There's flash and river flooding plus damaging winds all beginning tomorrow. Today we began on 7 but quickly warmed in the sunshine and a northerly reaching 29. October averages 10 to 20. Here's the situation today. A northeast airflow is interacting with a weak trough, producing high base thunderstorms, with the odd one moving through northern and eastern Victoria. This is the warm to hot and generally dry day, and things are about to go downhill from here. Today's weak trough is the precursor to the severe weather. The mess of troughs and cold fronts to our west will arrive in the southeast tomorrow. Then a cut-off low forms, and for those in its path, it is windy with intense rain. To Victoria, let's begin with a severe weather warning. Damaging winds are likely from the morning tomorrow in these yellow areas about the central and eastern ranges. Heavy rain and flash flooding begin in these same areas tomorrow afternoon. Watch this rain unfold over the next few days. The blue and green in the west, that's less than 15 millimetres. This isn't severe in the west. The yellow to red is 20 to 50 millimetres. That's over central parts. The deep reds are 50 to well over 100 millimetres in the east. Now, some modelling has more than 200 millimetres about the eastern ranges over the next few days. So there's not only flash flooding from that, but river flooding in coming days, with all of these catchments on alert this week. They are dry now, but won't be soon. The rain gradually begins overnight. Watch it spread right on through. Very different to what we experienced today. The rain increases over central and eastern parts with the risk of thunderstorms. The eastern ranges have moderate to heavy falls developing. Closer in, we have a wet Tuesday in Melbourne, but it depends on where you are as to how wet it looks. Now, Geelong may see only 10 millimetres. The airport through to about Moorabbin, 10 to 30. If you're in the northeast and outer east, including Viewbank, Scoresby, Cranbourne, the Dandenongs and Yarra Valley, it is heavy falls up to 50 millimetres. The city's 22, but that's early. We're in the high teens for the afternoon. Rain for much of the time, heaviest in the middle of the day. To the 8-day outlook, by Wednesday, it is just showery in Melbourne, while eastern Victoria does continue to be drenched. We are cold. It's a top of just 14 on Wednesday. As we go into Thursday, there's the odd shower passing through, back up to 16. Those showers increase at night and continue into Friday morning, back down to 14. But that should be the end of the wet weather, all over by late Friday. Saturday and Sunday, it's rising through the weekend. There should be lots of sunshine. We'll get some warmth back next week. Tomorrow's 22. Turning colder, rain for much of the time, heaviest in northeastern suburbs. Mitch.
OK, thanks very much, Jane. It's quite a change.